Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I teach you how to upload reels on Instagram. So in this video I teach you how to upload this type of reels on Instagram and get more views. So first of all, click on this page create and then click on this page select from computer. Then choose your folder where you have your videos or your reel videos. So I have my reel here. It's a simple
YouTube
video.
Hope you are doing well and enjoying good
I
health.
choose this and then I click on this one next. Then I click on this one next. Then I click on this one share. If you want to add any caption, so add it. For example, I want to enter here reels. Okay, reels. Okay. Then click here share. And now our reel is done. So if you are first time on our channel, subscribe our channel, like this video, share your opinion in comment section. So it's take few seconds and it's done now. Yeah, it's loading. So hope so you are enjoying this video. So sometimes it's take lot of time because of internet issue. So it's done, your reel has been shared. So it's method. Hope so you like our video. Thanks for watching.